So my friend Charlie Grist from Australia asked me to review his product for the Mercedes, and it is a wireless charging setup, and it installs where your vehicle ashtray goes. You know, if you don't smoke in your car, then that's the one thing that just doesn't get used. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done for Charlie and do a review on his charger. It should be an easy installation, you know. It should be. I say it should be, but you know, you never know. So, but you got to get all this stuff out of the car. And which is what I'm trying to work on right now. There's that. There's that. Now, we need some torque tips for this. So, and we're going to have to put the car in neutral, but since you're taking all that stuff out anyways, you have a little switch here that lets you just skip straight to neutral. So, and real quick about the packaging. Good packaging, you know, it's going to come in good order. However, he tapes the Allen key that I should say, it's a torque bit key to the inside of the box. So don't expect it to fall out with the rest of the product. When you pull it out, it's taped to the inside of the box. But good packaging overall. It came safe without damage. So let's go ahead and find that torque key. See if I got it here on me. Let me locate that real quick. And like always, I managed to lose things, so I have to use my own tool here. Make sure we got the right size. There we go. So we're just going to go ahead and get this out. I mean, for those of you who tear apart your cars and work on them, then this is going to be an extremely easy installation. So I say that now. Watch me jinx myself, obviously. So there's that. And just so you know, my phone type is a Galaxy S24 Ultra. So it's a pretty big phone. So, but I've already checked the fitment to his insert here, and it is spot on. So now I got to put my car in neutral. What I'll do is I'll push that little yellow button and pull back, as I was telling you guys about earlier. There. Now, if I could close this, or there we go. And voila. So I take this out. Bye-bye ashtray. And I put this in. Plug and play. Should be simple. I'll show you guys here. Factory plug. There we go. Now, I slide this back into place here. And what I do is I start these screws. So we'll get that going here. And I'll start this one here. Get that cinched up. Get this one cinched up. Okay, now it's time to put on our pieces again here. So I'll have to set this right here so that I can see what I'm doing. Real easy. Now I'll take this, slide it back around my shipped boot. There we go. Click that back into place here. Easy peasy. And I'll put my car back in neutral, actually, so I can put this on nice and okay. And there you have it. Looks very nice. It was a real easy install. So what you do, obviously, is you lay your phone in here, and I'm going to get my GoPro, and it does have another C-style port here. So it takes a male end. So you'd have to have a male-to-male style cord if you just wanted to do the wired charging. But let me go get the GoPro and let's check it out. Alright guys, so when I first set the phone in the charger, nothing happened, and I don't use the cigarette lighter in here because, well, I don't smoke in my car. However, I checked the fuse for it, which is a 15 amp fuse. Keep in mind, I got a 30 amp put in there, but it's the third fuse down on this little yellow section of your rear SAM. So, and that was the problem. So now that we have that pointed out, I'll show you the charger. Pretty nifty actually. So that's my big ass Cadillac phone there, and we're gonna slide it in, and there you go. And you know, like I said, I never use the ashtray. It's really, really handy to have this. And I'm all the time looking for one of those stupid plug-in chargers, and well, since I don't use my ashtray, now I have a wireless charger, and it's going to work out really nice. Charlie did, or I should say, Charlie and I are in the process of doing some color work for interior colors, and so we're going to be working on one for this Benz as well. Charlie has a easy to navigate website, and I will leave a link in the video description or comments depending on where you see this video, and give my buddy a shout. Once again, super easy installation, real sturdy product, works as it's intended to work. And Charlie told me, you know, hey, if you get the thing busted in the mail for some reason, if something stupid happens, you know, it's broken, he'll be glad to take care of that for you and get you out another one. But really nifty, looks good aesthetically. I like it. I mean, just perfect, you know, perfect fitment there. So it's like it was like Mercedes meant to build it. At any rate, there you have it. Sweet wireless charger. Thanks very much, Charlie. I do recommend this product. Thank you.